Hello everyone, you join me, Molly, and Gordon, one of our directors here at Bridge Classic Cars, to have a little look around the workshop to see what's happening at the moment.
Okay, where would you like to start?
Oh, shall we start with this beautiful Jaguar E-Type?
Okay.
Definitely.
I think last time you did it, the Jaguar E-Type was on the other side.
Yes.
It's now nearly complete. We've had a new clutch. We recommissioned it, so we put a new clutch in it. We've fully serviced the car. This came to us. This is going to be one of our competition cars. I'm going to say that it's one of our competition
Very
cars,
nice.
which is quite exciting. But no, we've just gone right through the car, and everything we needed to do is now done. We're waiting for one part, then it'll be fully tested, and then we'll hand it over to the competitions.
Oh, exciting,
Yeah,
exciting.
yeah.
Now, what's up on the ramp? Now, this
So-
is a beautiful colour, this maroon, Jensen.
Yes, that's a Jensen 541R. Everybody will probably know that we're really well known for 541s. This has actually come in as a part exchange.
Right.
This came on a part exchange for our green Jensen 541. This has got a really, really good history. That was originally deep carriage green. It's a nice car. It's not a restored car. Nice, usable 541.
Brilliant.
We think it'll go to auction.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I think it's going to end up to go to auction. So we've nearly finished. We've taken it to the next level. We've done things like if there was a dent in a piece of chrome, because we've got so many spare parts for 541s, we've decided we just do this and do this and do this.
Yeah.
So we've just made it that much better for the new owner.
Oh, okay.
With parts that we had in stock.
Amazing.
So yes, very, very nice that is. I think probably within the next 4 to 5 weeks that will be in an auction.
Wow, there you go.
Yeah.
And then we move over here. Now, John's
Yes.
working hard.
Well, we've had this car in quite a few times, and what normally happens is the car goes away and sits, and obviously these cars don't like to sit. So when it's ready for a restart, we always have problems because fuel nowadays is of quite poor quality.
Yeah.
Water comes out of the fuel, water gets dragged out of the tank and into the engine. It's really what's happened here. So we've got corrosion in the bottom of the tank,
Right.
and we've got corrosion in the carburetors. So we're just about to fit a new fuel tank, overhaul the carburetor, and then fully service the vehicle, return it to the customer. We
see.
did one little bit of paint work as well. There's like all these things that sit in garages, they get scuffed and knocked.
Yeah.
So one bit of paint work.
This is one of the oldest classics I think we've got in the workshop at the moment, isn't it? It's 1954
Yeah,
MG,
54.
isn't it?
Yeah. It's this was probably like the last generation of this style of car before they went through to what the more modern car was being produced then, but they still kept on to this heritage style.
Yeah,
And
it's
this was
beautiful.
like the last model really before they went sort of right into the MGAs and such like
Yeah,
from
yeah.
there.
It's amazing.
yeah.
So, well, and then we move over into
The
another
Maserati, well, the Maserati we've had for years. It is a lovely, lovely car, but the engine sucked in water when it had done about 6,000 or 7,000 miles, and the car was very new. It was put away in somebody's garage, and it was never ever used. The paintwork is original. We've done very, very, very little work on the car, but we have now diagnosed what was wrong with the engine and completely rebuilt the engine. So John is now putting this back together, and from that, I would think probably another. This is what I call our hospital jobs, and hospital jobs are always dangerous because we struggle to get back to them, and we own them, and we say our customers' cars obviously take a preference.
Yeah.
Restorations take a preference. So that's why we've had it so long, but we are very, very close. So it's probably about a week to 2 weeks before it starts up, but that week to 2 weeks might not be for 3 or 4 months.
Gotcha.
Okay, so
Yeah,
that's that.
I understand. And now this quite quirky and fun car, our Thunderbird.
Well, our Thunderbird is a bit of a story. That a removals company removed this and a man's possessions
Right.
into their premises, and he never came back for any of it.
Oh,
So it sat for years. It was in quite poor condition, and we were offered it. And I think this was one step away from going to a scrapyard, and it has never been registered in the UK. So we said, no, please don't throw it away. We've done believe it or not, we cleaned it,
Yeah.
and then we did very, very minimal amounts of paint work. It's a hard top convertible, so that comes off. It's a really, really nice, stylish car. We've got one thing to do on the brakes, then we'll MOT it, then we'll register it with a DVLA, and then it'll be off to some new lucky owner, and
Fantastic.
it is a really, really nice car.
It's really cool, really different. You don't see many of these, do you?
It's based on the S-Type Jaguar. All the floor pan and everything's S-Type Jaguar, modern S-Type Jaguar. This is really too new for us, but this is the old heartstrings when somebody says, we're going to throw it away.
Yeah.
Don't throw it
Don't
away.
throw it.
We'll have it. We'll have it, you know. So.
And then Lydia looks like she's been doing some interior work on this day.
Yes. So this again is going to be a competition car eventually. So we bought this car that had been restored, and as soon as it's restored, it was put into a barn.
Yeah.
And the mice got the mice,
no.
the mice and the moths got the carpets and the ceiling cloth. But the car's paintwork is dirty at the moment, and we have never cleaned it. So we're waiting really for Lydia's fitting new carpet. She's already done the ceiling cloth, and once she's done that, seats back in, then we'll valet it.
Yeah.
It's all been serviced and everything. It runs beautifully,
It is.
and then it's ready again for hopefully a new lucky winner someday.
Oh, a competition car, there we go. Well, yeah, thank you so much for giving us a tour
No
of
problem.
the main workshops here at Bridge Classic Cars. If you've liked what you've seen, please do like, subscribe and turn on those notifications. And if you want to look even more in depth into the projects, please go to the project section on the Bridge Classic Cars website. Thank you so much for watching.